Hi guys, in this video we will see how to transfer your Facebook photos and videos to other services such as Google Drive, Google Photos. You can easily transfer. Go to your profile icon from the top right corner and choose Settings and Privacy. Click on it. Here choose again Settings. Click on Settings. Thereafter from the scroll down and from the right side of menu scroll down and go to Account Center. Click on it. Here scroll down and choose your information and permissions. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side, your information and permission. To download or transfer a copy of your information, go to export your information. Choose export your information. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear. Export your information. You can export a copy of your information to an external services or export it to your device. Available information includes content and info that you have shared, your activity and info that we collect. So choose create export. Here you have two options, export to device and export to external services. If you choose export to external services, then we can see here a list of external services will available. So choose, select the services that you want to use, then verify your account in the next step. This is the for external services, a list of external services available here. Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Photos, WordPress, a list of external services available. If you want to choose export to device, then click on export to device and here your device name available. Choose a date range, format, media quality, custom information. Under custom information, your Facebook activity. Make the check against each option. Send items and collections, voting, messaging, first clear all and choose as per your choice, as per your requirement, such as saved items and collections, messages, post. If you want to export post, then make the check against these options. So a list of options available, choose as per your requirement, as per your choice. Reels, groups, reviews, Metaspark and a list of section available here. The next section is live videos, AI, personal information. If you want to export your personal information, then make the check against all, otherwise choose clear all and choose as per your choice. And the next one is connections, friends, followers, supervision, logged information, recommendation, location, search, notification. Here other are security and login information. If you want to export all these services, then make them check against each, otherwise uncheck it. This is the customization of your export. You can export as per your choice, as per your requirement. And finally click on save. Choose a date range from which date you want to export data. Last 3 years, all time. If you want to choose all time, then choose all time. Media quality, either choose higher quality, medium quality or lower quality. Choose medium quality and click on save. And finally choose a start export. For your security, please re-enter your password to continue. Choose continue. Enter your password and choose continue. So you can easily export your Facebook information, Facebook data to another services or your own services, own device. That's all.